Hi, sir. I'm gonna begin my topic. First of all, I have configured the Tomcat server, and now I'm gonna move forward. So first of all, the server is configured, and I will just try to run the server. If the server is working successfully, and let's see the log file. So the server has started, and it is giving the output. And when we see the console, it is showing the server started in 945 ms. And now I will just stop the server and I will create a project. That would be a Maven project only. And in this, I will be selecting the web app instead of quick start because this would be a web application. So web app, and now I will be giving the name Spring MVC. I will just finish it. It will just take some time to configure, and the project is created there. So now the process is done. Now we will just come to our SRC, come to our main. So we are having a error in our index index.jsp. So in order to fix this error, we will just go to the build path. So here we have to choose the server, apply, and OK. So that error is fixed now. So now we will just add the dependency. So right now the dependency I have done. So now I will just update the project. So now my project is updated. So in the libraries we have Tomcat, JRE and Maven dependencies. It has inherited all the Maven dependencies. So now I will just try to run the project. I will select the server and let's see, the browser should open. So the browser is running successfully and it is showing hello world. So now I will just configure and code a basic Spring MVC project in 5 steps. So first of all, if we want to configure a Spring app MVC application, I will just divide the Spring MVC application into 5 steps. First of all, we will configure the dispatcher servlet, that is the web.xml file, that is the front controller. Then second step, we will create the configuration file in which we will declare the beans and classes. Then the third, we will configure the view resolve. So I will be using a class from this the internal search only uh, resolver class, and I will be taking the reference of the class from this view resolver, and after this we will be creating a controller who will try to accept the request, and after that we will create a view to show. Finally that view to show, it will display the output what all things we have configured. So basically create a view to show page show. that will basically show the page which we have created. So first of all, the first step is configuring the dispatcher servlet. For that, we will just go to our project, web.xml. So now we will just come inside the web app. We will configure the dispatcher servlet. So we will take the servlet tag, and in this we will give servlet name, that is Spring. Now we will give servlet class. Now we will find the basically class, that is the view resolver class. First we will copy this package, and now class name. So now we have got the class name, and simply what we will do is, right now the servlet is declared. Now we have to proceed towards the mapping. So for that we will give servlet mapping tag. URL pattern. So now in this we have given the mapping tag also servlet mapping. In the mapping, servlet name is given and URL pattern is given. So now we will just try to create a XML file. We will come to file. So name is quite important for XML file. And for that servlet we have given Spring as the name. And now we will write the dispatcher servlet name first. So this is the basically convention which we have to follow. So I will just try to copy the configuration file of previous project and I will commit. There is a difficulty. I am not able to configure my old projects. So I will just try to configure them. I will try to arrange the uh, this dependencies for this XML file and I will continue the session with the next video. Thank you, sir.